I have some important phrases for you if you are an A1 or A2 beginner student of English. Hello, my name's Keith from the Keith Speaking Academy. Today's video is for beginner students of English. If you are intermediate, it may help you too. So, I will speak more slowly than usual to help beginner students. Okay? Today, I have 12 important phrases. Important? No. Very important. No. Essential phrases for beginner students of English. Ready? Let's go. Okay, number one, how are you? How are you? How are you? You. Repeat. How are you? Great. Good. Answer. Fine, thanks. Fine, thanks. Or great. Also, we can say, how are you doing? Doing. How are you? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? I ask, you answer. How are you doing? Fine, thanks. How are you doing? Great. Now, in England, if I want to know, are you really okay? I say, how are you? How are you? Oh, not so good, actually. Yesterday, my wife... So, if you say, how are you? It's more feeling, right? Next, number 3. What's your name? What's your What's your name? What's your name? Notice, what's your name? Friendly. What's your name? Bit more serious. Okay, good. What's your name? My name's Keith, or I'm Keith. My name's Keith, or I'm Keith. I'm Keith. What's your name? Really? Good. Let's move on. Now, in the shop, I want to buy. That's for you. That's for me. Buy something. So I open the door, I walk in the shop, and I say, oi, come here. No, don't say that. In England, English, we say, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, or excuse me. A joke for the intermediate students. But it's true. We say, excuse me, excuse me. Okay, next phrase. What's that? That. What's that? This. What's this? I want to buy, but I don't know. What's this? Okay, you can say, what's that? Or what's this? That is far. This is here, near, here and near. What's that? What's this? You can say, this is tea, black tea, Chinese black tea. This is tea. This is tea. Or it's tea. It's tea. Good. Okay, now you ask me. What's that? What's that? It's a spatula. Now, in the shop, money, but how much is it? How much is it? Is it? Is it? Zzz. You can have a zzz. Is it? Like a zzz. Is it? How much is it? Good. Ask me. It's 10 euros. Ask me. How much is it? It's also 10 euros. Altogether, it's 20 euros. 20 euros? Really? Okay, here you are. That's it. Let's move on. Now, in a bar, in a restaurant, in a coffee shop. So, you open the door, you walk in, and you say, "Excuse me," good student, "a coffee." No, not good. "Give me a coffee." No, not good. In English, we say, "Can I have a coffee?" Can I have a coffee? Repeat with me. A coffee. Have a coffee. I have a coffee. Can I have a coffee? A beer? Can I have a beer? A juice? Can I have a juice? Or, I would like a coffee. I would, I'd like. I'd like. I'd like a coffee. I would like a coffee. Nice. So, you drink 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, and then you need, "Excuse me, where's the toilet?" Where is, where's? Where's the toilet? Or, where's the bathroom? Bathroom. Or, excuse me, where's the restroom? Restroom. Restroom. Maybe more in America. Excellent. Good. Let's move on. Now next, with friends. Friends are great. Friends can help you. If you want a friend to help you, you can say, "Help me." Oi, help me. Maybe a bit direct. Or, "Can you help me?" Or polite, "Could you help me?" Could you help me? Could you? Could you? Could you? Could you help me? Could you open the window? In the coffee bar, "Could you get me a coffee?" Nice. Good friends. Oh, thanks. Ooh, yes. I like it. I like it. Or, I don't like it. I don't like it. Like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Black tea, I like it. Green tea, I don't like it. Okay, now, another important phrase. What time is it? What time is it? Is it? Zit. Is it? What time is it? It's time to go home. It's time to pay for the coffee. It's time to finish the video. So today we have 12 important, no, very important, no, essential phrases in English for beginners. Meeting people in the shop, in the bar, with friends. Practice. You can download the PDF, read, very important, listen to the pronunciation and practice speaking. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Shadow me if you like. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Keep going. And all you intermediate and advanced students, if you're still here, thank you. What are you doing here? Thank you for your patience. I'll see you all very, very soon. Take care now. All the best. Bye-bye.